Yes, the news everywhere is saying that Antarctica's finally gained back ice, but what if I was to tell you this is slightly misleading? Because the scientists that actually conducted this research say that this increase in ice is only temporary. And today, we're going to read the actual scientific paper and get into what it really says. Firstly, the section where it says Antarctica's gained ice is only a sliver of the paper. The majority of the paper actually talk about how Antarctica is melting at an increased rate than what they first thought. Researchers have been studying the Antarctica for the past 20 years, going back to about April 2002. And their findings suggest that many glaciers, particularly in the eastern part of Antarctica, are melting faster than they expected. And these regions show clear signs of instability, such as ice thinning and ground lining retreat. This is most likely linked to warmer oceans melting the ice from below. They have also found that from 2011 to 2020, many glaciers that were once considered stable have begun losing ice at faster rates.
In summary, the paper shows the regions being assessed show an overall loss in ice in the span of over 18 years.
However, from 2021 to 2023, some of the regions gained ice. The researchers contribute this to the unusual amount of precipitation and snowfall, which they don't expect to continue for the coming years. Now, even though the paper does not state why the area experienced increased snowfall, a potential reason could still be linked to global warming. As the atmosphere warms, it can hold more moisture, leading to heavier snow or rainfall in some areas. In Antarctica, where it's freezing, this extra moisture turns into snow, adding to the ice sheet. So yes, even though at first this ice game may seem promising, it's actually giving us a false sense of security. But if you'd like to know more about what's happening in Antarctica and how it affects our planet or any scientific topic, you can subscribe or become a member to join the community on our website www.bearsciences.com. Click the link in the description and you can stay tuned for more content. And if you have any questions about what we've talked about before, anything sciencey, leave a comment down below and we'll start the conversation.
Because there are no